channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag, and this time I will be doing what's in my bag with this Louis Vuitton. I forgot the name of this bag, but I will put it on the description box. So this bag is very rare. I got this one from Fashion File, and the first time I saw this bag, I fell in love with this. I love the style. I love the cuteness of this bag. So on top, in the front, it looks like this, and then this is the back of the bag, and here is the side, and here is the other side as well. So I think this bag is very unique style from their collection. I don't think they sell this bag on their site anymore from Louis Vuitton, but look how cute this bag, you guys. And then the opening is right here. So I'm gonna do a what's in my bag with this bag, and then I'm gonna show you what fits inside and what I carry in this bag. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is my bag. So this bag is called Sonatine or Sonatine. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but yeah, this is from Louis Vuitton, and this is the front, and then here is the back. So what's inside my bag? And of course I have my cute little bunny right here. And so you open the bag, and there you go. So the first thing I have is my car key, and then I have here my face mask, and then I have gums, a hair tie, and then I have my card wallet, and then of course my phone, and I have a lipstick, and I also have my perfume, and that's about it. And in this pocket I have some change right here. So anyway, this is what the inside of the bag looks like, and you got a small pocket right here. You can put your change, you can even put your card holder right there. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This bag is super cute. So this bag is still in pretty good condition. There's no sign of wear at all. I've had this bag for almost 2 years now, and I still love it. It's very convenient to use, and it's a pretty style bag. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, have a good day.